All right, what's up guys? Back at it with another how-to video on my Colorado. It's dirty as can be right now. The dash vents right here. Just the outside. Passenger side and the driver's side, I got them all right here. I ordered them off eBay. It was like 50 bucks for both of them. And we're gonna be taking these out. Now you can pry really hard by hand and they will come out. But I'm gonna try to use this pry bar. If y'all have some actual like plastic, like pry tools, like trim tools for stuff like this, use that. I'm gonna try this pry bar and see how it goes. I'm gonna come up under here like this, see what happens. There it goes right there. That was pretty easy. All right, so whole piece just popped right out like it wasn't nothing. I mean, y'all seen that. But the reason I'm replacing these, I'm pretty sure all y'all have the same issue, is these fins are just all kinds of jacked up. So that was the first one. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this new one. It's clear to see like which side is which, but I mean they even got it labeled up here, but I mean it's pretty easy to know. Let's just slide it in there just like that, and check this out. This actually works now. It needs to be cleaned, but still. And it was a work truck package, but it really don't bother me because it's got this little piece. But I mean, screw it, man. It's so much better than being broke. So anyways, that was that one. You know what guys, I have changed my mind. This is the good vent. I'm taking this off. I'm about to pry this thing off right here. And this one, my old one, this piece looked a lot better than this one. This one just looks faded, don't look shiny, so I'm switching these out. It's pretty simple. You just had them two clips holding that piece in. I just pried them down, pulled it out. I'm about to change out this piece real quick so it can match instead of being all, I mean, you can see it's all dull and just faded. There's that. I got that new piece put on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, what I did, because it was so hard, was I turned it upside down. You have to remember the way it goes. I turned it upside down, and right there on the old one, right here, you can actually see it. I clipped them off. I just said screw it, and I just took this, went right here on them, clipped them. Suckers fell right out, slid a new one right in. Now I'm gonna clean it up because there's a lot of dust and grime all up in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that up before I stick it back into the bracket and stick it in. So got it all cleaned up. It's still wet, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it back in. Which one was it? This one, since obviously you can see it looks so much better, even though it is dirty right there. It looks so much better than this one. This one's just faded, dusty, you know. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in here, and I'm gonna stick it back in the dash. All right, so let's see. Get lined up. Give it a good little push. She's right in there, son. And she functions. That's the biggest thing. She functions. All right, so this side is done. Let's get this other side, man. You see, this side's all jacked up. Anyways, so same thing over here. I'm gonna take this little pry bar, get in there kind of. Oh, this sucker. It won't be quite as easy over here. Let me see. Come over here. Right, you gonna have to come out sooner or later, man. There we go. Oh shit. This one ain't gonna be as easy. I ain't trying to break nothing, that's for sure. Well, I got that piece out, so I guess that's good. Now I just gotta get this piece out, which shouldn't be that hard now. Yeah. Alright. It's another one. Well, guys, I know for a fact I ordered the left-hand side, but it looks like they sent me a right-hand side, obviously. What the fuck, dude? So, I'm gonna try to use this old one also. And this one came, I mean, they take one picture of one that they got, and they got a million probably. And the one that I ordered it had the chrome piece in it. But it's whatever, man. It's on the driver's side. It ain't gonna be that big of a freaking deal. So I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and try to take this one apart. And put it in that one, I guess. See if that'll work. Well, I guess all you can do is work with what you got. And it worked. Still annoying as shit, but it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and back in with it. Alright, so working this sucker back in there. Hope it don't change up the fitment at all. Seems like it. Yeah. Hey, that's all that matters to me right there. Is it getting that working? And I did. So got a bunch of spare port, but the sucker works. That's all that matters to me. Now that I got it in here, I'm gonna test out this air. Let's see. I don't know. I really ain't got to though. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's dirty. Anyways. Oh yeah. Close it off. Whoop. Now my passengers can actually adjust their air too. Oh, this is so much better already. So that's just a little thing that I've been wanting to do for a while, man. I just ain't had time. Cause this sucker, it really has a great AC in it, honestly. You know, and I've been needing to do that for a while. That's so much better though. If y'all enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I got plenty of videos on this truck. Prior, and I will be making more, you know, just depending on what all I gotta do. So thank y'all.